Welcome to Pisa, Italy, a city that's way more than just a leaning tower. Today, I'm taking you through the top 5 must-visit places in Pisa, all located around the stunning Piazza dei Miracoli. From world-famous landmarks to hidden cultural gems, this list will help you experience Pisa like a pro. Let's get started. Number 1. The Leaning Tower of Pisa. The Leaning Tower of Pisa. We begin with the star of the show, the Leaning Tower of Pisa. Built in the 12th century, this iconic bell tower is famous for its unintended tilt caused by soft ground beneath it. You can climb to the top for breathtaking views of Pisa or simply enjoy the classic, holding up the tower off photo. It's one of the most recognizable landmarks in the world, and seeing it in person is unforgettable. Number 2. Monumental Cemetery. Monumental Cemetery, also known as Camposanto. This peaceful and beautiful site is said to contain sacred soil brought from Jerusalem. Inside, you'll find stunning frescoes, ancient Roman sarcophagi, and a calm atmosphere that feels like stepping back in time. It's a hidden gem many visitors overlook. Don't be one of them. Number 3. Baptistry of St. John. Baptistry of St. John. Right beside the tower stands the Baptistry of St. John, the largest baptistry in Italy. Its unique Romanesque and Gothic design is impressive, but what really stands out is the incredible acoustics inside. Every 30 minutes, staff demonstrate the echo, and it's absolutely magical. This is a must-see stop on your Pisa visit. Number 4. Pisa Cathedral. Pisa Cathedral, Duomo di Pisa. Now let's explore the heart of the square, Pisa Cathedral. This masterpiece of Romanesque architecture features stunning marble interiors, intricate mosaics, and a beautifully decorated ceiling. The cathedral reflects Pisa's historic wealth and artistic brilliance and is a powerful reminder of the city's golden age. Number 5. Opera Primasial Pisana. Opera della Primasial Pisana, the museum that brings everything together. Here, you'll find original sculptures, artworks, and relics from the cathedral complex, including pieces by famous artists. It's the perfect place to truly understand the history and significance of Pisa's most important monuments. And that wraps up the top 5 places to visit in Pisa, Italy. Whether you're here for history, architecture, or iconic photos, Pisa delivers an unforgettable experience. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel adventures. Comment below and tell me, which Pisa landmark would you visit first? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next journey.